case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark 2006 case of Hinlicky v. Dreyfuss, the New York Court of Appeals was faced with addressing a significant question in medical malpractice litigation. The case hinged on whether an algorithm, commonly acknowledged as reliable and professionally recognized in anesthesiology, should be admitted as evidence, a decision with potentially far-reaching impact on future litigation. Unfolding against a heartbreaking backdrop, the lawsuit was brought forth by a patient alleging medical malpractice against an internist, surgeon, and anesthesiologists. The healthcare professionals were confronted with accusations of negligence for failing to secure a preoperative cardiac evaluation for the patient. The groundbreaking part of the trial, however, was the introduction of an algorithm utilized by an anesthesiologist. Under dispute was its admission into proceedings, which was subsequently allowed under the professional reliability exception to the hearsay rule. Yet experts' opinions diverged. Of the 7 called upon to provide insights, 6 disagreed over its significance as a standard of care. The case took an interesting turn when the court, despite objections from the plaintiff, deemed the algorithm useful not as a definitive standard of care, but as demonstrative evidence of the physician's decision-making process. Consequently, the jury's favorable verdict on the defendants stood. Undeterred in the pursuit of justice, the plaintiff appealed, citing the controversial Spensieri v. Lasky case as grounds for argument. However, the court rejected this viewpoint, indicating a lack of clarity over the algorithm's admissibility, either solely as the basis for expert testimony or under the professional reliability exception to the hearsay rule. Furthermore, the plaintiff questioned the admission of Exhibit F, an ostensibly irrelevant chart due to its creation 1 year after the patient's death by an unrelated hospital. Nevertheless, the court regarded this admission as harmless in the grand scheme, highlighting the intricate role evidentiary standards play in the path towards justice and promising compelling precedents for future cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.